Yeah, it started in northern Colorado first. We had that snow squall warning this morning that really only brought rain to the Fort Collins area as temperatures hadn't dropped yet. And now this is what we're looking at. Here's our mile high cam. You can see snow starting to pick up on the side streets, traffic moving pretty slowly. Visibility's not great out there this morning. And this is our tech center cam. Yes, there's actually something behind this, but you can't see anything because visibility is so reduced out the door right now. We do have snow squall warnings in effect for all the polygons. It's kind of tough to see, but you can see that line going here, extending up 76, down I-25 into Castle Rock. Now another snow squall warning in place there as this band of heavy snow does track through. It has dropped 1 to 2, a quick 1 to 2 inches, but also reduced visibility. So when you get these pockets of these dark purples, that's where we're looking at that snow really falling for us through the morning. So definitely be mindful of that. If you haven't hit the road yet and you need to, you could have some slow conditions out there today. Behind it, a little bit of light snow possible through the afternoon. We're not expecting a lot more accumulation. The bulk of what we'll get will really be with this band of snow that's moving through this morning. That said, a little bit of a different story up into the high country as an additional near foot of snow is possible for a lot of areas throughout the day today. On top of that, winds will be strong into the mountains, gusting some 60 to near 70 plus miles an hour. So definitely low visibility and travel impacted up into the high country with snow and strong winds there. As mentioned, through the afternoon, as this band tracks off towards the south and east, we'll even see some clearing behind it. Not ruling out a little peep of sunshine into your afternoon with a few more light flurries possible through the day today as snow continues to fall into the high country. This should all clear out for us tonight and into the overnight hours. And while tomorrow morning starts off on the cold side, it'll warm up quite nicely. So heading through the afternoon, we can expect for the next 24 hours an additional maybe 1 to 2 on top of what we've seen as this band of snow moves through. That's when we're picking up our greatest accumulating snowfall out there. As we look at temperatures, this morning DIA was around 44, 45 degrees. It didn't take long to drop 20 degrees. Right now the airport's sitting at 25 as that cold air's sinking in from the north. Gillette's only 10, or Fort Casper is only at 10. We're going to be under the influence of that cold weather. And again, our high temperatures today we hit early on this morning. So certainly feeling a little different than it did yesterday. Moving into the afternoon, we're going to continue to keep our eye on that snow that'll track through, but it will just be windy through the day as well. By tomorrow morning, again, we start on a cold note, then the sunshine returns, and just like that, we are back into the 50s and 60s. Wednesday into Thursday, and the weekend's already looking great, but Saturday into Sunday, we'll keep our eye on for another storm system moving through. In true Colorado fashion, it won't take long to warm her right back up.
Seriously, it's a quick bounce back.
Yes.
All right, Alex, thank you.